Hello viewers, I am Belal Ahmed Khan. Today I will discuss is a physiological function of human body named digestive system and digestion. So what is digestive system and what is digestion? First of all, we have to know. Digestive system is a special type of system or a special physiological function. With the help of this system, all the food substance, all type of food substance such as major food substance, carbohydrate, protein, fat are digested. So the system that take part in digestion is generally known as digestive system. There are different parts of our digestive system such as mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, small and large intestine, rectum, anus, etc. All the digestive part of digestive system can be divided into two groups. One of them is digestive glands and another one is alimentary canal. Digestive gland and alimentary canal, these two parts can be divided our digestive system. So digestive system are mainly divided into two parts. One of them is alimentary canal. It's a canal-like structure, mouth to anus. A canal-like structure that elongated from mouth to anus is alimentary canal. Another one is digestive glands. Digestive glands, there are mainly three digestive glands are there. One of them is pancreas, liver and gallbladder. Digestive system also can be divided into two groups on the basis of their mechanical and their chemical structure. Mechanical means all the part of digestive glands and chemicals means different types of biochemical substance that produced from the digestive glands. From mouth to anus, alimentary canal elongated. Mouth is the opening part and the alimentary canal, the last part of alimentary canal is anus. From mouth to anus, a canal-like structure elongated in the digestive system is alimentary canal. Now digestive glands. Digestive glands are three digestive glands are there: gallbladder, liver and pancreas. Most important, three digestive glands secrete different type of biochemical substance that helps in digestion. Different type of biochemical substance also balance the internal digestive environment of human body and other living organisms. Now I am trying to identify different parts of our digestive system. There are mainly two parts of our digestive system. I discuss. One of them is mechanical part, another one is chemical part. Or we can explain digestive system are of two types or two parts. One of them is alimentary canal, another one is digestive glands. Alimentary canal elongated from the mouth and digestive glands are correlated with the alimentary canal. Now I am trying to draw the stomach and ileum. These folded part represented in the diagram is colon. Colon, there are circular muscle epithelial tissue also present in this, and involuntary muscle act as a transforming agent. With the help of involuntary muscle, all the food substances are transferred from one place to another with the help of a process named peristalsis. There are mainly three colons are there. One of them is ascending and transverse and descending colon. So this is the part of large intestine. Now folding part of the small intestine. The folding part of the small intestine that enter into the large intestine or colon is known as ileum. Ileum is the last part of digestive small intestine. The last part of small intestine is ileum. Ileum connected with the large intestine. The connectivity of the ileum is known as cecum. or cecum. And the last part of the large intestine is the sac-like part is known as rectum. Rectum stored undigested food for a certain period of time. When necessary, it eliminate or excrete from the rectum to outer environment with the help of anus. Now I am trying to draw the digestive gland liver. This is the liver, a triangular shaped part, chocolate color and organ. It produces bile pigment or bile juice and store bile pigment in a gland named gallbladder that related or connected with the liver. The circular part above the circular part above the liver is gallbladder, will be gallbladder, and the leaf-like structure that elongated or connected with the liver is pancreas. Leaf-like structure is pancreas. Pancreatic duct inside the leaf-like structure of pancreas is known as pancreatic duct, and liver duct is known as bile duct. Bile duct and pancreatic duct are commonly connected with the duodenum. This common duct is known as hepatopancreatic duct because hepato means liver and pancreatic means pancreas. Both ducts are connected with each other and form a common duct named hepatopancreatic duct. Now I am trying to level all the part of the digestive system. The cavity of the mouth is known as buccal cavity or mouth cavity. The opening part is mouth. After mouth, it's the buccal cavity. And buccal cavity and larynx, the junction between the digestive system and respiratory system is larynx. In between pharynx and esophagus, the connectivity is larynx. From larynx, elongated part that connected with the stomach is esophagus. Esophagus is generally known as food tube that transfer food from mouth to the stomach. The sac-like part that connected with the esophagus is stomach. Duodenum is the first part of small intestine. First part of small intestine is duodenum, and the second part of the small intestine is jejunum. Jejunum is elongated and straight part of digestive system. Small intestine, the second part of small intestine is jejunum, and the third part or final part of small intestine is ileum. So duodenum, jejunum, and ileum commonly known as small intestine. Colon, there are three colons are there. One of them is ascending colon, another one is descending colon, another one is transverse colon. The connectivity between the small intestine and large intestine is cecum or cecum, and the sac-like part in the last part of large intestine is rectum, the storehouse of unwanted materials. Duodenum, jejunum, and ileum commonly known as small intestine. Duodenum, jejunum, and ileum are the three parts of small intestine. Colon, rectum, and cecum. Cecum, colon, and rectum are three main parts of large intestine. Large intestine can be divided into these three parts. One of them is cecum, colon, and rectum. And the last part of digestive canal, alimentary canal, is anus. And the first part of alimentary canal is mouth opening. This is the mouth opening. So alimentary canal elongated from mouth opening to the anus. Mouth opening to the anus. So mouth opening is the first part of alimentary canal. From the mouth opening to the last part of anus, this canal-like structure is known as alimentary canal. And there are mainly three glands are there. One of them is gallbladder, major glands. One of them is gallbladder and liver. The second one is liver. The largest digestive gland is liver. It secretes bile pigments, and the leaf-like structure, another digestive gland is Another digestive gland is pancreas. So pancreas is look like leaf-like structure, and this diagram generally represented all the part of digestive system. So the digestive system of human can be divided into two parts. I write the name of the glands in the left side, and I write the name of the canal part of the digestive system in the right side. In this way, digestive system of human are developed or constituted. So all the activities of digestive system are done by the human body or different part of body correlated with the digestive system. Now I am trying to explain the second thing is digestion. Digestion is another important part that interrelated with digestive system. So with the help of this system, digestion takes place in human digestive system. Digestion takes place in human digestive system. Digestion is a physiological function that accomplished with the help of this system or digestive system. So digestion is a process by which complex food converted into simple absorbable food nutrient element. There are mainly three food elements should digest or have to digest with our digestive system. The food substances are carbohydrate, protein and fat. Carbohydrate, protein and fat are three food components necessary to digest with the help of our digestive system, because these type of food substances are complex food. Complex food are the food that necessary to breaks into simple absorbable amount that our body can be absorbed. The process by which complex and insoluble food are converted into absorbable and soluble form, this process is known as digestion. So with the help of the digestion, complex food such as carbohydrate, protein, fat or fatty substance, fat droplets or different types of sucrose, maltose, etc. are the complex food, are the examples of complex food. With the help of our digestive system, this complex food can convert it into small absorbable nutrient element that our body or our digestive system can absorb. For our digestive system, for our body, for our absorption of different type of nutrient element, digestion is necessary. So the process by which complex and insoluble food are converted into absorbable and soluble food is food digestion. So digestion process accomplished in three main parts. One of them is digestion in mouth, and the second one is digestion in stomach, and digestion in duodenum. And digestion in duodenum are three digestive part of our body. Three digestive part, or all the digestion takes place with the help of these three parts. All the digestion takes place in the mouth, stomach and duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of small intestine. Now I am trying to explain separately the three main parts of our digestive system. First of all, digestion in mouth or mouth digestion. There are mainly three different digestive juice producing glands are contained in our mouth. three digestive glands are situated, and two in the frontal side, one in the back side. So there are mainly three parts are interrelated with the mouth digestion. One of them is teeth, another one is digestive glands, digestive fluid producing gland, and tongue are three parts interrelated with the digestion or digestive system or digestion process of a specific food substance. Teeth is the major part of our digestive system because all the food substance are converted into small absorbable substance with the help of the teeth. Teeth breaks into small particle or small part. There are mainly four types of teeth in human. Two jaws. They are incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Wisdom teeth are also known as molar teeth. Incisor helps in cutting, canine helps in tearing, and premolar and molar helps in grasping and grinding. Grinding is the main function of molar teeth. And tongue contain three different types of taste, but with the help of the tongue we can receive different types of taste. And salivary gland, there are three salivary glands: parotid gland, submandibular, and sublingual salivary gland. All the salivary gland are produces different type of salivary juice. Parotid gland, what is the main position, what is the location of the parotid gland? Just in front our inside the buccal cavity, the parotid gland connected with our ear and the tongue. These in between the tongue and the ear, these parotid gland are situated or located. And the second salivary gland is mandibular, submandibular. It's located in the mandibular region, front part of the tongue. The first part and the lower part of the tongue, there are one pair of salivary gland that secrete salivary juice, and the sublingual, and the both side of the tongue, beneath the tongue, these salivary gland located. All the salivary glands secrete different types of biochemical substance such as mucus or fluid, or different types of enzymes such as amylase type of enzyme named tyalin. I am trying to draw the location or specific regions, specific part of salivary gland. All the part of mouth or buccal cavity, are correlated with the digestion in mouth. Nasal cavity and buccal cavity are interrelated with each other. In the buccal cavity, it contains teeth, tongue, and the salivary gland. With the help of teeth, tongue, and salivary gland, digestion in mouth occur or accomplish. Now this is the buccal cavity. This is the mouth cavity or the cavity-like part that contain all the food substance, and I am trying to identify the position of the salivary gland. There are three pairs of salivary glands in the both side of the buccal cavity. First of all, it is the parotid gland located just in front of the ear, and the second is submandibular in front of the tongue, and the beneath the tongue, sublingual salivary gland. These three salivary glands secrete different type of biochemical substance that is necessary for Digestion. They secrete mainly two digestive juices. One of them is enzyme and another one is mucus that makes food slippery and soft. The cavity-like part that identified in the diagram is buccal cavity. So all the parts are interrelated with the mouth digestion. Now I am trying to write the names of the biochemical substance that is secreted from the mouth. First of all, ptyalin. Ptyalin is a specific enzyme. Ptyalin is a specific enzyme that helps in or that act on carbohydrate substance. Ptyalin is a special type of amylase enzyme. Amylase enzyme, ptyalin enzyme, and different type of salivary fluid. Different type of salivary fluid are interrelated with the food substance. Salivary fluid is known as mucus or salivary fluid or fluid. These are the biochemical substances that mixed with the food and make easy to digest food. With the help of this salivary gland, it converted or transferred as slippery food substance. Now ptyalin and the other biochemical substance. Ptyalin is an enzyme. So ptyalin is an enzyme. What does enzyme mean? How this enzyme works on the food? Now first of all, I am trying to explain what does enzyme mean. Enzyme is a biochemical substance. Ptyalin is an enzyme, so you have to know why enzyme work on different type of food, or what does enzyme mean, what is enzyme. You have to be explain with the help of this enzyme what type of work is done in our digestive system. Now enzyme is a biochemical substance or a chemical substance that acts as a catalyst. What does catalyst mean? Catalyst is an element that act on different type of reactions and make the reaction speed or accelerate the reaction, but these catalysts remain unchanged after the reactions. So it acts as a catalyst. In this way, these biochemical substance like enzyme, all the biochemical substance act as a catalyst. Like enzyme, a substance produced by a living organism. With the help of this enzyme, it acts different part of the human body, such as during respiration, during digestion, and during other physiological activities. This enzyme act as a catalyst. Or works on the different type of reactions. So what does enzyme mean, or what is called an enzyme? A substance produced by a living organism which act as a catalyst to bring about any reactions or any kind of activities accelerated about a specific function. All the activities. These biochemical substance contain protein substance, or with the help of the protein, these biochemical substances are constituted. A substance produced by a living organism, a biochemical substance or a physiochemical substance that produced by a living organism which act as a catalyst to bring about a specific biochemical reactions. So all the biochemical reactions are interrelated with the enzyme. So enzyme helps in digestion directly or indirectly. In mouth there is no other digestion except carbohydrate digestion. There is only carbohydrate digestion occur in mouth. Carbohydrate is a polysaccharide. With the help of this enzyme ptyalin, carbohydrate or a polysaccharide converted into disaccharide in mouth. Name maltose. Maltose is a disaccharide. Carbohydrate are three saccharides are there: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Carbohydrate is a polysaccharide substance. It converted into disaccharide named maltose. Such type of disaccharides are maltose, sucrose, galactose, etc. are disaccharide that can converted with the help of ptyalin enzyme from polysaccharide. Now all the food substance with salivary fluid converted a slippery substance and helps in swallowing with the help of tongue, and with the help of peristalsis process this food converted to transport to the stomach. So maltose and saliva or salivary fluid, protein, fat, all type of food substance form slippery with the help of this fluid and transfer to the stomach for further digestion. All the food becomes slippery because of salivary fluid that produces from the three salivary gland, and all the food substance with enzyme, all type of salivary fluid also transferred to the stomach through pharynx, esophagus and other part that related with digestive system, and esophagus that directly related with the digestive system. So all the food from mouth to it transferred to the stomach, mouth to stomach, and start digestion in stomach. All the food substance are converted or transformed as mold or half digested or primary digested food. As mold transfer all the mold to mouth to the stomach, then started digestion in stomach. Stomach digestion is a complex process because stomach digestion is a complex process because there are different type of digestive glands are there. Different types of digestive juice are produces from the stomach. I am trying to draw the stomach, the sac-like part or swollen part that in between the esophagus and the small intestine, and the first part of small intestine named duodenum is stomach. So in the front part of the stomach is esophagus, in the second part of the stomach or later part of the stomach is duodenum, and the median swollen part in between the esophagus and duodenum is stomach. Stomach is occur a complex physiological or digestion process because there are mainly three type of digestive juice or gastric juice secreted from the stomach. Stomach also known as gastric gland because it produces gastric juice. Gastric juice are produced from the gastric glands, different types of gastric glands. Inside or internal wall of the stomach there are different types of glandular epithelial tissue located. From these glandular epithelial tissue, this juice secreted. First of all, hydrochloric acid. Stomach contain hydrochloric acid or stomach secrete hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a acid and its pH value is less than 2.5. In the reactivity series, it is more active. With the help of these hydrochloric acid, I am trying to explain the functions of hydrochloric acid. What role play these hydrochloric acid during digestion? First of all, softens the food. All the food becomes softer in presence of hydrochloric acid. And the second one is kill the germs. Different types of germs, thousand, lakh, crore germs are transferred to our stomach with the help of different type of food substance. All the germs kills in a moment with the help of these hydrochloric acid, and food becomes germ free. And third one is becomes acidic medium. With the help of secretion of the hydrochloric acid, the stomach medium converted into acidic medium. For this acidic medium, different type of enzyme such as inactive pepsinogen enzyme produce active pepsin enzyme. With the help of these hydrochloric acid. So, inactive pepsinogen or inactive enzyme converted into active enzyme in presence of hydrochloric acid. So, acidic medium is important for the stomach. These acidic medium protect internal wall with the help of biochemical substance named mucin. So, mucin protect the internal wall of the stomach from hydrochloric acid. Now, the second activities of the stomach is inactive pepsinogen converted into active pepsin with the help of hydrochloric acid. So, hydrochloric acid act as a catalyst during this reaction or formation of active pepsin enzyme. With the help of this enzyme, protein digestion occurs. Pepsin is a specific enzyme. You know that specific enzyme work on a specific food substance. Different type of food substance is necessary to digest different type of biochemical substance or enzymes. So, specific enzyme or individual enzyme act on individual food substance. Protein food substance converted into half digested protein named peptides in presence of pepsin enzyme. So, protein converted into peptides in presence of this catalyst named pepsin enzyme, and different type of or more than one type of peptide enzyme accumulate together form polypeptide, a complex form of peptide. So, peptides are combinedly form these polypeptide. All the activities these activities that produces polypeptides is the digestion in stomach. In stomach, there is no other digestion occur except this protein digestion. There is no complete protein digestion. It is a half digested protein substance produces with the help of this digestion or digestion in stomach. In stomach, there is no complete digestion or there is no other digestion except protein. So, all food substance plus gastric juice that produces from the gastric gland, all food substance converted into chyme or a fluid like, a soup like, a liquid substance named chyme. Chyme is a liquid substance that look like a fluid or soap. So, chyme produce chyme, and this chyme transfer to the duodenum or first part of the small intestine for further digestion, for final digestion or the last part of digestion. In this way, digestion in stomach completed and the digestion in small intestine or digestion in duodenum started. All the food substance from stomach is transferred to the duodenum, and digestion in small intestine or the first part of small intestine started, or the first part of small intestine started. Digestion in duodenum. You know that duodenum is the first part of small intestine. Three parts of small intestine: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Stomach connected with the duodenum or first part of small intestine. I am trying to draw and trying to identify all the parts that interrelated with the digestion in duodenum. You know very well that three digestive glands, major three digestive glands are connected with this digestive part, duodenum. Three digestive glands, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, are directly connected with the duodenum or first part of small intestine. That is why duodenum is known as the part of complete digestion. All the complete digestion accomplished in this place. This tube is known as pancreatic duct, and leaf-like part is the pancreas. Pancreatic duct and hepatic duct are combinedly form a common duct named hepatopancreatic duct. All the juice that's produced from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas is transferred to the duodenum with the help of a common duct named hepatopancreatic duct. So, with the help of hepatopancreatic duct, all the biochemical substances transfer to the duodenum. This is the duodenum or first part of small intestine. All the biochemical substance or juice that produces from the gallbladder, liver, and pancreas was transferred to the duodenum. Now, gallbladder is the main function of gallbladder is store food, and liver, the main function of liver is secretion of bile pigment or bile juice, and pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. With the help of this pancreas, different type of enzymes secreted with the help of pancreatic juice. Now, liver. What are the biochemical substance, or what is the biochemical substance that's secreted from the liver? Liver produce or secrete a biochemical substance named bile pigment or bile juice. Because liver is only the part from where bile pigment or bile juice can be produced. This bile juice is basic in nature or alkaline in nature, or it reacts with the acidic substance and becomes alkaline medium. And the second thing, it converts different type of biochemical substance. With the help of this biochemical substance, fatty substance converted into or fat converted into fat droplets. It also converts acidic medium into alkaline medium. So it reacts with the acid and becomes alkaline medium, or huge amount of bile pigment secreted to the duodenum, and this environment converted into alkaline, and this alkaline medium act all the enzyme that produced from the pancreas. So all the enzyme that produced from the pancreas is necessary to make an environment alkaline to becomes active. And the third thing that helps in with the help of liver juice or bile juice, fat droplets converted into fat converted into fat droplets with the help of bile pigment or bile juice. So bile juice is a special type of biochemical substance that accelerate digestion process. And fat converted into fat droplets. Fat droplets mean smallest particle of fat, small particle of fat that convert with the help of bile juice, and fat becomes softer. Gallbladder is the another digestive gland that there is only one function or role play with the help of gallbladder. It stores bile juice, and this stored food transferred to the duodenum. So it stores food and transfer bile juice. It acts only a storehouse. For a certain period of time, it stores these juice that produces from the liver, and it finally transferred to the duodenum. So it stores bile juice and transfer this bile juice from gallbladder to the duodenum with the help of a hepatic duct or a common duct named hepatopancreatic duct, or a common duct named hepatopancreatic duct. And now the next part is pancreas. So pancreas is another important digestive glands. Another important digestive glands of our digestive system or human digestive system. Pancreas contain different type of biochemical substance. Pancreas contain different type of biochemical substance. Name three enzymes. One of them is amylase. One of them is amylase, lipase, trypsin, or chymotrypsin. So pancreas is a digestive glands that produce pancreatic juice. So pancreatic juice, with the help of this juice or fluid, or pancreatic fluid contain different types of enzymes, three major enzymes, because you know very well with the help of these three enzymes complete digestion occur in duodenum. So duodenum is the major part that control or complete all the activities, all the complete digestion occur with the help of this pancreatic gland. So produce three enzymes from the pancreatic juice or with pancreatic juice. They are, one of them is amylase. Amylase act on carbohydrate food substance. With the help of amylase, carbohydrate food converted into simple absorbable food named glucose. Lipase, another enzyme that produced from the pancreas, act on fat and convert fat droplets into fatty acid and glycerol. And the third one is trypsin or chymotrypsin, are the enzyme that produce from the pancreatic juice. With the help of these trypsin and chymotrypsin, protein or half digested protein can converted into complete digestion with the help of trypsin and chymotrypsin. Polypeptide or peptides convert into amino acid with the help of this trypsin and chymotrypsin. Any one of the biochemical substance work on a specific food. one enzyme does not work on another food. So specific enzyme works on specific food. Now I am trying to explain three digestion process with the help of equation. So now the final function of duodenum, complete digestion occur. With the help of these juice that secreted from the liver, gallbladder and pancreas, all the activities are accomplished and finally duodenum complete the digestion process. Maltose is a half digested food that was digested into our mouth at first. Now complete digestion occur in duodenum. This maltose or disaccharide converted into monosaccharide in presence of amylase enzyme. In presence of amylase enzyme. So maltose converted into absorbable nutrient element in presence of amylase enzyme. Now the second thing is fat droplets that convert with the help of bile pigment. And fat droplets converted into fatty acid and glycerol with the help of lipase enzyme. Fatty acid and glycerol are two absorbable nutrient elements that can absorb our body, that can receive our body, or that can assimilate our body. So fat droplets converted into fatty acid and glycerol with the help of lipase enzyme that produces from the pancreas or pancreatic juice. Now final is polypeptides that produce inside the stomach from the protein substance. Polypeptide is a half digested protein that produces from the protein. Polypeptide converted into absorbable amino acid with the help of trypsin enzyme or chymotrypsin enzyme. You can use any one of the enzyme, trypsin or chymotrypsin, but you know that these enzymes act on specific protein substance. There are different types of protein substance. Different type of protein work with the help of different types of enzyme. Polypeptide converted into amino acid and some peptides remain as undigested and further digestion start and finally converted into amino acid as absorbable nutrient element. In this way, duodenum, maltose, fatty droplets, polypeptides, duodenum complete all the digestion process. So, with the help of this explanation, you can understand that easily all the activities of digestive system, all the activities of digestion complete with some physiological functions and some mechanical support. Mechanical support are provided with the help of digestive system and chemical support are produced with the help of three digestive glands and a related gland named digestive glands. So in this way all the digestion process, all the digestions takes place in human body. So digestion accomplished in the human body with the help of these chemical and physiological process. So in this way digestion of human takes place. So you can easily understand that how this digestion process of human takes place, how this process is accomplished in human body.